Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to order in Meesho. If you want to place an order on Meesho, then first of all, launch open the Meesho application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account if you haven't already. Now, once you're in the home page, use the search bar at the very top of the screen and search for the product. You can search for a specific product or simply explore the categories like clothing, home, accessories, and more from the top menu. After finding the product you'd like to purchase, go ahead and open up the product. And then once you do that, from the product preview page, tap on Buy Now at the bottom right corner. If applicable, you may need to choose the size, color, quantity, and variant of the product. Also make sure to check your shipping charges and delivery time and click on Buy Now. Now select your delivery address and click on Deliver to this address, or you can also add a new address if you want to change it right now. Now, on the next page, you'll need to make your payment. Click on Continue and select your payment method. You can choose cash on delivery or you can also pay online. Select any one option and click on Pay Now at the bottom right corner. You need to fill in your information for the payment option that you've chosen. If you've selected Pay Online, then you can go ahead and pay by any UPI app, wallet, debit or credit card, or net banking option. Select any one option and click on Pay Now and follow through the on-screen instructions. Once the payment is done, you'll get an order confirmation screen and order ID. You can track your orders in the orders section of the app. So that's how you make an order or buy a product in Meesho. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.